Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever seen a van that looks like it could tell you war stories, cook you breakfast, and still have room to haul your fishing buddies? Meet the 1969 Ford Econoline E300 Club Wagon, the granddaddy of all adventure vans. The kind of rig that makes you want to grow a mustache and drive across America just to listen to the engine hum. Before we dive into this tan and white time capsule, don't forget to subscribe to CampAvto, the only channel where nostalgia meets horsepower. And we actually think rust is just patina with experience. Hit that button so you don't miss another rolling relic of automotive history. Now, this Ford E300 Club Wagon isn't just some rusty old family van. I believe it's a time traveler from an era when vans were homes, not hashtags. Under the hood sits a 302 cubic inch, 4.9-liter V8 engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission good for cruising down the highway at 60 miles per hour, 97 kilometers, while still leaving enough noise to scare off raccoons at the campsite. It's rear-wheel drive, built tough enough to pull your trailer, your dreams, and probably your buddy Carl's broken-down motorcycle too. What I like the most about this machine is the style. A two-tone white and tan finish with decals from Allender Motor Co. still proudly displayed on the fenders. It's got a pop-top roof, a tow ball, Western-style mirrors, and even an extended rear bumper with wooden decking. If that doesn't scream 1970s road trip, I don't know what does. The Hankook Kinergy ST tires on 15-inch 8-lug wheels were replaced recently, so it's ready for the open road, or at least the parking lot of your local classic car meet. Inside, it's a vintage dream. Floral patterned tan upholstery, cozy carpeting, and a kitchenette that could make a Boy Scout jealous. There's a hand-pumped sink, a Norcold refrigerator, a gas stove, though I think the broken line means you might want to pack sandwiches instead, and even a fold-down dinette that turns into a bed. My friend Dave said it best: "This van is like my ex. Looks great, but you don't know what's working until you try it." The details are pure gold. A table with a printed map of the United States, a hydroflame furnace, and floral curtains that make you feel like you're living inside a 1970s postcard. There's even an AC outlet on the outside, perfect for powering your coffee maker, or, if you're like my neighbor Rick, a karaoke machine at 2 a.m. The van's odometer shows 64,000 miles, 103,000 kilometers, though true mileage is unknown. And yeah, the radio doesn't work. The driver's window crank is missing, and the engine cover has a crack, but I think that just adds character. Every dent and scrape tells a story. This vintage beast recently hit the auction block at no reserve, and while the exact final price wasn't listed, similar models can fetch between $18,000 and $25,000 USD. 16,500 to 23,000 euros, depending on condition. For a rolling piece of Americana with real wood decking and a pop-top roof, that's a steal if you ask me. What I find special about the E300 is that it captures a simpler time before van life became an Instagram trend. It was just life. It's rough around the edges, but built to last, with the kind of charm that modern campers can't replicate no matter how many LED lights they install. If you want to check out more about vintage Ford vans, head to the official Ford Archive website. And yes, there's a link under this video. And before I hit the road, let me just say, you can become a sponsor of our channel for only $1. That's right, a single buck keeps the jokes rolling, the gas tank half full, and the coffee machine barely functional. The link's in the description below. Click it before this van's gas line gives up again.